Can I juggle? No. Hi guys. So what's up? Just letting you know. I've started this new Whole Foods anti-inflammatory diet. So I'm going to take you on a journey today of how I make one of my lentil salads. Stay tuned. By the way, I haven't turned into a hipster, but I don't wear headbands now. I just got back from a hike and it was raining outside and my hair's like this and it was gonna look terrible, so we have headband. It's actually one of my work ones, so there's buttons on the side for my mask.
Ripping that nurse like 2%.
Alright, so the package says rinse lentils and drain. Lentils in large saucepan, add cold water to cover by 2 inches and or 5 centimeters for metric soles. Watched pot never boils, so let's go do some tired girl stuff. Boil, reduce heat, simmer, uncover 15 to 20 minutes or until tender. Drain. Gonna simmer, uncovered, for 15 to 20 minutes now. And just doing your own thing. Like starting a YouTube channel, aka talking to yourself alone in the kitchen. I also just realized my microphone was turned off. First time YouTuber things. And I couldn't do that stupid headband anymore. This pot is taking forever to boil. Is the head tilt still in? I don't know. Oh, story. So, you know those bit emoji things? Redoing mine a couple weeks ago, and I noticed that mine had a really terrible, crusty look on her face. I was like, why are they doing this? Why are the bit emojis so crusty looking? And then I yawned, and then the emoji yawned at the same time, and I realized that was just my resting. I had no idea that's how I looked all the time. Cool. Cool. While the lentils simmer, we're going to use our baby arugula, baby spinach, hemp hearts, leftover chicken, got a red onion, carrots, celery, green beans, and I have a smidgel of leftover quinoa from my other salad. We're gonna throw those in a bowl. Shoot, I forgot to put a timer on. Ugh. 10 more minutes? Special mittens to use for cutting because I'm afraid of cutting my fingers off. That don't have fingers on some other finger, like they'll have like nubs. I don't want to be one of those people. Timer's going off for the lentils. So I will take those off the stove top, put some cold water on them so they stop cooking and get cooled down for our salad. For The dressing, we're gonna use lemons, olive oil, salt and pepper, a smidge of garlic. One of the best Amazon purchases I've ever made is this lemon squeezer, especially if you like fresh squeezed lemons. And it's so sweet. Legit metal. So it's sturdy. Throw it in the dishwasher, not the washing machine. Don't put it in the washing machine. To make your homemade salad dressing, squeeze half a lemon or as much as desired into your bowl. Pick out your lemon seeds. Then add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, turmeric as desired, mix together and drizzle over your salad. And time has come to try this delicious salad, or hopefully it is delicious. Honestly, I haven't made this yet. I was supposed to, but I didn't. Pardon the squeaky chair. That's good. 8 out of 10. I have made this dressing for a couple other bowls and salads, and it's actually quite good. The only thing is, if you're like me and eat your lunch at work, have to put a mask on and then work for the rest of the day smelling your garlic breath, it's not the best because there's a lot of garlic in it. So maybe bring a toothbrush to work. Alright, that's concluding the video. It took probably half an hour to make this, only because I already soaked the lentils, so you have to do that the night before. And I have lentils for days now, so those will go in a bunch of dishes over the next couple days. And with the quinoa, the lentils, the hem parts, it's a really well-rounded, full, complex carb meal,